down in the box. What are you doing with me?
Oh boy, sorry Mr. Peeps. Easter won't come for you.
No. Okay, let's go see the gun range. He's sticking his pants. He stuck to my... Oh, this is nice. Wait a minute. These guys got holes in them. Wait, what are you doing? I'm going to eat you.
Right here.
Oh, there we go. Wait, he's trying to chew me up. Wait, where are you guys going? He's tasty. Oh, this is nice. I'm in the sun, getting a tan. Hello, Mr. Peep. Wait, where are you guys going? Wait, what is he going to do to me? Say hello. Say hello to Steve's little friend.
Bye bye, Mr. Peeps.
Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh!
Oh shit.
Somebody give me a drink. I am a sprinkler.
Oh shit. Oh my god, that hurts.